In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect your social media accounts to Hootsuite. This process is essential for anyone looking to streamline their social media strategy, allowing you to manage all your platforms from one convenient location. Whether you're a social media manager or just someone trying to keep everything organized, these steps will help you get set up with ease. First things first, open your preferred web browser like Google Chrome and navigate over to hootsuite.com. Once there, log into your Hootsuite account. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to register first, but for now, let's assume you're ready to log in. After you've logged in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see either your profile icon or your name prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. This will prompt a drop-down menu to appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled either Manage Social Networks or My Profile. Both options will guide you to the settings area we need to access next. Once you've selected that, you should see a button that says Plus Add a Social Network. This is where you can start adding your various social media accounts into the Hootsuite dashboard. Click on that button to begin. At this point, you'll be presented with a list of social media platforms that are compatible with Hootsuite. You'll see choices like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and possibly a few others. Choose the platform you'd like to link first. For instance, if you want to connect your Facebook account, go ahead and select Facebook. Following your selection, Hootsuite will guide you through a series of prompts to log into your selected social media account. This is straightforward. Just enter your credentials as you normally would when accessing your account. During this process, you might be asked to authorize Hootsuite's access to your account. This is a standard step that ensures Hootsuite can post and manage content on your behalf, so go ahead and grant the necessary permissions. Once the authorization is complete, Hootsuite will automatically link your social media account, and it will now be visible in your Hootsuite dashboard. This setup allows Hootsuite to interact with your social media accounts and gives you the full capability to manage your social media presence more efficiently. If you have multiple accounts or platforms you wish to manage through Hootsuite, no worries. Simply repeat these steps for each account you'd like to add. This flexibility is one of the great strengths of using Hootsuite, as it consolidates your social media management into a single user-friendly platform. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily connect your social media accounts to Hootsuite, streamlining your social media management and saving you precious time.